One day, a hunter set his net on the banks of a stream. Many birds, which got lured by the grain in the net, fell into his trap. When the hunter came to gather his net, the birds suddenly flew away with the net. The hunter was astonished by their cooperation and coordination when he saw all the birds flying together with the net. He decided to follow them to see what was going to happen. A man, whom he met on his way, asked him where he was rushing to. Pointing the birds in the sky, the hunter said he was going to catch the birds. The man laughed and said, "May God grant you some sense. Do you really think you can catch birds on the wing?" The hunter said, "If there was only one bird in the net I wouldn't stand a chance. But wait and see, I will catch them." The hunter was right. When the night fell, the birds all wanted to go to their own nests. Some of them pulled the net to the woods, others headed toward the lake. Some wanted to fly to the mountains, others to the bushes. None succeeded and finally all of them crashed down with the net. The hunter came and caught all of the birds. Poor birds! If only they had known the following saying of our Prophet, they would have always flown in the same direction, and then they would not have gotten caught by the hunter.
Do not separate from one another. The lamb that abandons its herd will be eaten by the wolf.